Hello, here's a motor again. This is a front magnet. This is the back magnet. I put a B, put the F. So I'm gonna make it work with no pressure on the motor. This is front. Now let's try back. No pressure on the motor. Okay. I'm gonna swap magnets. Give me just a second. Okay, now there's front and the back, and the back is in the front. Okay, I'm coming to the motor, so let's try with no pressure on the motor. Turn it on. Okay, there you go. Opening, pressure on the motor. Already swapped the magnets, and it's okay. Now let's try the other one. And that's absolutely right. Okay, when it comes to locking the motor in place, now it has tension on the chain motor. This is what happens. Look. See that? See, it didn't respect the limit switch again. Now I'm gonna try the other way. Try the other way. It's gonna happen the same thing. It's not gonna respect the limit switch. You can hear the motor, and it went all the way back. This is closing. Same deal, same problem.